In my previous video I covered GMX hbond tool of modern GROMACS packages. In this video I cover GMX hbond-legacy tool, which is the previous version of GMX hbond tool, now considered deprecated, but it is still shipped with latest versions of GROMACS packages for legacy support. As compared to modern version of GMX hbond tool, GMX hbond-legacy provides you with more options for output files. For instance, you can output the existence matrix for all hydrogen bonds over all frames, or the number of hydrogen bonds per hydrogen, which is not currently possible with GMX hbond tool. Unlike modern GMX hbond tool, GMX hbond-legacy does not require you to provide explicit selections in its command line interface. Instead, you select required index groups interactively. Now let's check the output file with the number of hydrogen bonds per frame. As I use the same parameters for hydrogen bond detection as in my previous video, I obtained practically identical graph of hydrogen bonds per frame. hbond-legacy tool also outputs donor and acceptor pairs within the specified cutoff. While GMX hbond-legacy tool is now considered deprecated, you can still use it for legacy support and in cases which are not covered by limited functionality of the modern GMX hbond tool.